Some email providers require IMAP access to be switched on before any outside application can connect to your mailbox. If it's off, nothing connects, even with the right address, the right app password, and the right server settings. IMAP lets tawk.to access and sync your mailbox. Incoming mail appears in your inbox, and actions like reading or deleting stay consistent across your email apps. Some providers have it on by default, others make you enable it first. Here's how to spot the problem. You've double-checked your credentials, you've created an app password, your server settings match your provider's documentation, and you're still getting incorrect email or password. Providers use that same message for several different problems, and IMAP being disabled is one of them. It helps to understand that app passwords and IMAP access solve two different problems. An app password lets tawk.to sign in securely when two-factor authentication is on. IMAP access is what allows outside applications to connect to your mailbox in the first place. Some providers require both, so if your app password is right and it still won't connect, IMAP is the next thing to check. Where you enable it varies. On Outlook, it's in your mail settings under Forwarding and IMAP, where you switch on Let devices and apps use IMAP. On Zoho, it's under your mailbox's POP and IMAP settings. On Yahoo, it's in your mailbox configuration. For anyone else, search your provider's help center for Enable IMAP. And if your email runs on your own company domain, the setting may sit with your hosting provider or IT administrator. On work and school accounts, you may not be able to enable it yourself, since many organizations manage IMAP centrally as part of their security policies. If the setting is missing or grayed out, contact your IT administrator. Two things once it's on. First, make sure it's IMAP you've enabled, not POP. They often sit side by side, and POP downloads mail and can remove it from the server, while IMAP keeps everything synced, which is what tawk.to uses. Second, enabling IMAP doesn't reconnect anything by itself, so head back to tawk.to and reconnect your mailbox to complete the fix. And if you're worried about security, enabling IMAP doesn't make your mailbox public. It only allows applications you've authorized to connect. tawk.to still needs valid credentials, and you can revoke access anytime. For more assistance, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.